Where that?
Fucking screw.
You need me to go in now?
Yeah, go and push that off.
Go ahead and push up on it. All right.
Make sure I ain't touching that. I'm almost there. Hold on.
Good. They're good.
This is fine. Oh, wait.
What you need me to get?
No.
What I'm talking about? I got the best employee in Asheville. Or the world, Craig.
Hand me that saw.
All right.